And that's all of them have the same thing in them, right?
Yeah. Same.
So what they get is
2 noodles.
2 noodles.
And then pancit.
And pancit.
2 canned goods.
2 canned goods that are
corned beef
and
beef loaf.
Beef loaf.
Yeah.
And then coffee.
And then coffee.
Yeah, a big old bag of coffee.
2 kilos of rice.
2 kilos of rice, of course, yeah.
Yeah.
And that's what the little relief package is. But that'll feed a family of 2 for a week, just about, or at least a few days.
Yeah.
That's what we're looking at, a few days relief. So, guys, what they're gonna do is come up here to the door and get their relief package. They got tickets. And then they're gonna get their bags, and it looks like that. See, she got 3 families. She got 3 tickets. She had 3 tickets, right?
Yeah.
So she had 3 tickets, so she got 3 bags of relief goods. And here comes everybody down through here.
Yeah.
And I imagine these people behind me will be coming down here too soon to get their package. All right. All right. There she goes. There's another person. And they'll come in a little bit at a time. They won't rush the door or nothing. So he gave her the ticket, and she gave him a bag. Betty's gonna do the bags, and we thank you up there in Nebraska for helping these kids and people out, because they got to eat, right? I think they're lining up now.
Thank you so much.
Hey, already.
Thank you so much.
Hey, yeah. It ain't me. It's this guy in Nebraska. So they had 2 tickets. She got 2 bags. She brought the family the carry bag. Everybody's excited to get some relief, because this flood, if you see the flood down there, it ain't going nowhere soon. It's gonna be a long time before that flood gets out of here. And all these people, the street behind us is flooded too. We're just caught right in the middle here. We're just got a little dry area, but the house has got flood in it too. And just right past my sister's store there is the flood. So everybody's getting their foods. Betty took all night last night to make the tickets out so that they'd have a ticket so they could come down here and get foods. It's for the people. A lot of these people are flooded out and they had to move in with their kinfolks and stuff. It's sad. Hello. Anyway, I'll try to switch back and forth between the cameras. This might give me an idea what everything looks like. See how bad it's flooded? See, people are coming from all around. Yeah, no problem, man. Yeah. They're all the same, so there's no difference in one sack to the other one, as I bet showed what was in each bag. And hopefully here in just a little while they'll be all gone. The people who come to get them is all the way down through there. See, they're coming this way now. There's the neighbor that lives right down the road. She's got a sorry store right probably about 100 meters down there, and she's not being able to stay in it because it's flooded over there. I'm glad to see this, because really, I mean, these guys have got to buy cleaning. Hey, no problem. Thank you. Yeah, she's going back to her store down there. It's flooded. But whenever this does get out here in about a week or two, they're gonna have to clean everything up. It's gonna take a lot. Yeah, okay. Thank you. Thank you. And they all appreciate it. And they're all smiling. It don't matter how bad hardships they got. They'll still smile about things and be neighbors. You always got to be neighbors. If you got more, then you should give to some that's less fortunate. There's a lot of people that's less fortunate. See, she come with her two family. You're welcome. Did she drop one? Did she drop it?
Yeah.
You drop it?
Almost. No, cell phone.
Anyway. She's getting down to the body.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay. 67.
Thank you. Oh, pasin nila. Nano? Kapilan. Yan eh.
Thank you.
Diyos ko kuya Manny kuanan di nga ba? Yan eh. Yan eh, nandipa mo nga alanya palengki. Kuya Manny kuanan yan.
Get all the people coming. Hey, you're welcome. Yes, I'll switch back and forth from each camera. Hey! And you can see everybody's happy. Are you happy? Happy day? Not so much rain today. Hi. Yeah, not so much rain today. Maybe it won't rain. Hey, how are you? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's a good feeling to be able to give people some relief. You know? Hey kids.
Hi guys. Hi. Thank you very much.
Some people just send their kids down, get them in line. Ah, he's shy. He's shy. He's a shy guy. Yeah. So it's really good to be able to help some. Hi. Beep, beep, beep. It's like they got the golden ticket from Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, and they get to go to the Chocolate Factory. For them, it makes them so happy, and at least I'm glad that we can help somebody. Or not we. I'm not a part of it. I'm just filming it for the channel and for Betty. She's in there doing her job.
Thank you.
Ah. She's in there doing her job. Hey. Hello. Say hi. I'm too shy.
Thank you, Mark.
Yeah, we'll see you. Okay. Everybody's coming by. Get in line. A lot of people. Bet's out here steady giving it out till they run out. Yeah. She's taking tickets and she's giving out all those bags. And tonight she's going to say her arms hurt. She's going to tell Daddy. She's going to say, Daddy, my arms hurt. My arms hurt because I lift so many. And she'll be glad that she did.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey! YouTube! 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 All the kids are here. All right. I'm happy everybody gets to come out here. Come on, smile. You don't want to smile. What a party. What a party. Hello. Hey, how are you? There's still people coming up. Well, I think they got more than 200 people to get relief. So, I don't know. I doubt if you can count it. But she'll know when she gets all her tickets in. All the older folks, younger folks, guys, gals, everything else. Most people are happy about it. And it started raining on us, little sprinkles. You can see the clouds. Looks like it might rain a little. What's new, right? What's new? Did you get a card? Hey, Mama. They give you one. Uh-oh, motorcycle. Motorcycle. What a job. Betty's got the big job in there giving it all out. Okay, guys, I mean, what can I say? Success. 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 You too. Look at the kids. They're so happy. You show. You like to show. You're not shy.
I have won!
Yeah. We got a little bit of rain there. Not a lot, but a little. Little rain, 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 rain. Bye-bye. 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 Thank you. $210 or $20, I think it was. That's what we gave out. So it won't be all day, but it will be a little while longer. See, this one's on too.
Yo, thank you.
Yeah. I don't know. I just take a picture. Just a video. I just do a video. I don't know. I'm not involved in that. That's the ladies. Bet and her sisters and her mother. Yeah. Should have said I had to edit that. Anyway, they talking to me.
Thank you! Kapla niya kaya pinag-aralan pa. Ako maglakad siya! Andun pa! 1, 2, 3. Wilma.
And I'm gonna cut it right then.